Well, as promised, the FL 820 Ford Racing filter came in. And this thing is beefy. Oh my god, this thing is beefy. It's heavy too. Look how deep that core goes down inside there. It's got like a double O-ring set up on the top. It's got a center O-ring right there. And then it's got a lower O-ring right in there. Let me see if I can zoom in for you. Let's test out the capabilities here. See if we can look in there even further. This this gasket here is like, it's like self-oiling or something. It's super slick. It says this Ford Racing filter, let's see, here's all the ones that it replaces. It says the CM6731-FL820 replaces the AC PF1250, Champion PH820, Fram PH2, Purelator 24651, the Wix 51 372, and the Motorcraft FL820S. Let me know if you guys want me to cut this open and compare this Ford Racing filter to a factory filter. And I'll cut it open and we'll test it out. We'll show the difference. I just figured I'd start today off with a simple, easy video. This showed up UPS. It didn't even come in an Amazon box. It was specially shipped. $27 for this filter. Let me know if you guys want a comparison. It's pretty neat that it gives you those crosses for people that want to know what their 820. This is going to be run on a 4.6 valve Panther platform. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you want me to cut this open and compare it to an FL820S factory filter here at the dealership.